welcome back to our channel Love Story Technology. I am Atish. So today we are going to see how to block internet on Microsoft Azure VM using network security group. So let's begin. First step, we need to log into one Azure VM. So here I am already taken Azure VM remote. This is one of Azure VM. So we check whether internet is working or not. So internet is working. Yes, internet is working. So we need to stop all this traffic, stop all the outbound traffic to my internet. So we need to configure the network security group. We need to log in the Microsoft Azure portal. So just type portal.azure.com, enter your global admin credentials, then go to your virtual machine. This is my virtual machine. Just select your virtual machine. Then go to your networking, then network setting. So our end goal is stop all the internet traffic from our VM to internet. So this is NSG network security group VM, then located inside the network setting, and here we need to create a rule. So click on create port rule, outbound port rule, source. I put any, port range any, destination we have to select service tag, then destination service tag internet, service custom, destination port any. So I need to type a star here, protocol any, action deny, priority lower priority, provide your lower priority, provide you the rule priority, like if you put a value like minimum value with higher priority. So here is it, you can see no other rule is here, so I propose to keep as is. Add, you can see deny rule, port any, protocol any, source any towards internet. That means on this VM internet no need to work. So we need to check and validate the internet is still working on this VM or not. So you can see this same. Now we're going to refresh, and or you can type the another portals to validate that the internet traffic is still on. You can see that internet can see that internet is not working. So our rule is working now. So by using this rule, you can achieve your outcome. If you wish to disable the internet traffic from your Azure VM, you just need to create this NSG. So thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel Love Story Technology for upcoming tech videos. And if you have any question, query, you can comment on the below video section. So I can provide you the best solution and workaround on your issues. So thanks for watching once again.